461.7, and I'm just getting down to the E mark before the light comes on. Got two things there. Got a car and the EC, economy mode, and that's the headlights of the car. This EV is a gimmick. It doesn't work. Cars always with the hybrid, low maintenance, low battery, low problem. That's the screen. I don't love it. It's what I see every time the car turns on. I turned it to black. Quite annoying with all the lights on it being bright, especially at night. Hit the CarPlay, hit the map. This is what I see. I want to get rid of it. Don't want to see all this. It'll disappear eventually when you touch it. That's the screen I love to see every time I start my car. Being on the last, can't do that. It's the screen I really want to be on the last, and always on default, turning the car on. I'm backing up. I got no problem backing up. Tells me that like I'm near the curb almost. I'm pretty perfect with that. Oh, you missed my score. I'll show it to you again. There it is. 90. It's a survey. Away. No, not at all. White is a nice color. Let's go to the front of the car, show you what low light looks like. Do that again so you can see. One more time. This is what it looks like when all the lights are on. And a front view of the car. Looking at the dash, don't love it. I haven't used it, and that's what I keep it on. If you carefully listen, you'll hear a Jetson sound. Especially when those are on. I like the way this is. I try to keep it as low as possible when I ride. As long as you keep it in eco mode, you'll get the best gas mileage in the world. Never see this go to full. I'm at half. If I press on this, which I am, eco mode is unavailable. I got a green, a red, and a gray, and back to green, and a trail, purple. You have to press off a trail in order to go back to eco. If I wanted a PHEV, that's a full electric and gas, I would have gotten one. I like the HEV. It works just fine. That's why that EV is assisting most of my time. I'm charging, as you can see. Exhausted the EV. They're coming back on. And there's the gas giving it power. Woo, you can feel the engine kick in and go. It fast. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure. My score went to 77 from 90. Good driving. So yeah, not all the time is this thing perfect, but that's my gas mileage on a full tank of gas this summery.